Hey, welcome back. Let's take a look at types of reactions. So there's going to be several types of reactions. The first we're going to look at is synthesis or combination. Either word can be used to describe this kind of reaction. A very general equation for this would be A plus B results in AB. So one element or compound and another element or compound result in a singular compound. Here's an example. Nitrogen plus hydrogen results in ammonia. We can balance out the equation and we can see that one element nitrogen, one element hydrogen results in a compound with both nitrogen and hydrogen. Anytime we see two or more elements or compounds as reactants and only one product, we know that it is a synthesis or combination reaction. Decomposition reactions are just what they sound like. We know that decomposing things break apart, so a decomposition reaction will be represented by a compound, AB, that becomes two or more compounds or elements. Here's an example. Water can undergo hydrolysis to produce hydrogen and oxygen. After we balance the equation, we can see that a compound made of H and O resulted in elements H and elements O, thus decomposing or breaking down. Anytime we see one reactant that becomes two or more elements or compounds, we know we have a decomposition reaction. A third type of reaction is a single replacement or displacement reaction. As either of the names imply, there will be something that is replaced or could also be described as being displaced. The thing being replaced or displaced will be referring to an element in a compound. Here we have A free element, and BC representing a compound made of B and C. The result is B and AC. Here is an example. Iron reacts with silver chloride to produce silver and iron chloride. We can see here that the iron was a free metal and replaced or displaced the silver from the chloride. So anytime a single element replaces or displaces another element in a compound, we have a single replacement or displacement. You should see them literally switch partners. Our fourth kind of reaction is a double displacement or replacement reaction. Here again, we are using the word displacement and replacement to talk about elements changing places. In this case, we will have two compounds. They will be ionic, and the partners will switch places. So if we have AB and CD, they will switch places to create CB in AD. An example of this would be silver nitrate and sodium chloride. The result of that reaction is silver chloride and sodium nitrate. we can see that the sodium and the silver switched partners. This is how we know it is a double displacement or double replacement. Anytime elements switch partners or switch in the compound, it is a double displacement or replacement reaction. The last kind of reaction we're going to look at is a combustion reaction. Combustion reactions are about burning, about combusting things. Here's an example of a combustion reaction. We're going to notice some things that are always in combustion reactions. The first thing that is always in a combustion reaction is a hydrocarbon. That is a compound made out of both hydrogen and carbon. In this case, C3H8 is our hydrocarbon. 3 carbons, 8 hydrogens. There will always also be oxygen present. For the products, you will always have CO2 and water, H2O. Those will be the only products in a combustion reaction. That's it. See you next time. Bye-bye.